Let's be real. Everyone says learn to code and you'll make money. But in 2025, that's not enough anymore. The game has changed. If you learn this one skill alongside coding, you can start earning faster than 90% of beginner programmers. Let's dive in. So, that one skill is problem solving automation. Not just writing code, but using code to automate boring real world problems. In 2025, companies don't just want coders, they want people who can make money saving bots or scripts that work while you sleep or tools that make their workflow faster. A quick example. Let's say you're good at Python. Instead of building any ordinary app, you could create a script that sends automated WhatsApp messages to clients, or a bot that checks prices online and updates your shop's database, or a dashboard that tracks sales for small businesses using free APIs. Each of those is a service you can start right now as a freelancer or even locally. So don't wait till you master everything before starting. Pick one everyday task, automate it, make it useful, and share it online. That's literally how most tech freelancers get discovered in 2025. Or 2026 is even around the corner. And there you have it. So if you want to start earning as a programmer this year or throughout next year, don't just learn syntax. Start learning automation, because in 2026, the people who automate will be the ones who dominate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.